What is that measurement?
36.
36?
Yeah. Even? 36 even.
Why else would we be measuring the height of the car if we're not installing some sort of suspension mod on Chase's new truck? This is Chase.
This is my...
The Camaro Chase. This is his new truck. Chase, fill us all in.
Well, you see, I was driving to go get some breakfast with a friend. Was at a stop sign and drove.
It was raining.
It was raining. Had been for a few hours and
Days.
yeah, it actually was days at that point. Yeah, drove about 20 or 30 yards, and the car just kicked around and hit a telephone pole right in the passenger door. And pictures will be here.
Yep. We'll fill the screen with photos now.
Yeah.
As we cry, all of us in the background.
Taking a moment of silence.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's going.
Okay, well, we're moving on. This is Chase's new truck. It's a 2014 GMC SLT, which I am learning all of the GMC slang, which that means it's as good as a Denali. It just doesn't have a Denali sticker. Is that right?
Yeah.
Am I accurate?
It doesn't have Denali badges and the Denali grill. It doesn't
and the
have.
Denali price.
Yeah, it doesn't have the Denali price.
There you go.
Yeah, there was Denali that was optioned exactly like this for $7,000 more.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
So, Chase is in the driveway because, like I mentioned before, we're doing suspension mods. We're going to do a leveling kit on this thing. And, you know, these guys, they help me. They help me in the garage all the time. So, I wanted to pay it back a little bit to Chase and get him the leveling kit. Yes. And so, now we have the leveling kit and we're making Chase do all the work.
Yeah. Let's show him.
Totally not fair. But yeah, so this is it. It's a
that's the
like a 2-inch rough country block. Is it
this ain't even 2 inches, but they said it levels at 2 inches. Just
because it probably moves
geometry.
okay.
The way geometry works.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I didn't get that far in college.
Engineering stuff, you know.
Okay.
You know.
That's what these guys
It probably
do.
has something to do with my calculus class. I don't know.
Degree stuff.
I do stuff with the camera. These guys do stuff with calculators. So
yeah,
they're a lot smarter.
CAD and stuff, you know.
However you make your money.
That's it. That's however you make your money. So subscribe. So we're gonna throw this thing on.
Oh,
Yeah, that thing. And we already did the other side, so we kind of know what we're doing. All right, so Chase is working on the top of the shock now, and it's him and his brother Logan. Logan came up to help us out. Say what's up, Logan.
Hi.
So they're going to loosen that, and that'll let us lower the control arm down so that the shock can slide back to line up a little better. Oh no! Run away! Runaway bolts and socket. But this is Chase's new truck.
Chase got a truck?
Chase got a truck?
People are gonna. All the Camaro fans are gonna be like, "What?"
Yeah.
What?
So that we're not just kind of
There's a lot
talking.
mixed instructions on the internet.
Yeah. So it's super simple. First thing Chase is going to do, obviously, jack the truck up and put it on a jack stand, and then we'll move on to the next thing.
Yeah, you can do it right there.
Right, look at this guy. So Chase is. Well, I guess you're out of the Navy altogether now, right?
Yeah, I got medically discharged.
Okay, so Chase is a veteran, and he's going to school full time, but he also works at Discount Tire, and you're going to see his prowess right here.
Yeah.
Watch
With a slow.
today, Junior.
Hey. I need a better.
Don't blame me for that.
Yeah.
You got this. You got this.
You think you're NASCAR ready?
Come on, and bam!
Oh, throw my tool.
He's ready for the next one. Look at that! Look at that light mount. Okay, we can't do that on my truck. There's nothing still on my truck.
Yeah.
I guess we can do it on the bumper. Anyways, we have these two bolts here that need to come out, and those hold the shock into the. Is that an A-arm?
Lower control.
Lower control arm. Lower control arm.
Could be an A-arm.
Could be. I mean, it's like that.
Depending on your definition.
Yeah. So that comes out, and then we're gonna lower the sway bar, and then loosen the top of the shock so that we can push it down a little ways and slide the block in. Super simple. I forgot to mention, with those bolts out, you're now going to pop those clips off. It's on your hood.
Yeah, it's on your hood, dude.
Oh, there it goes. slide in it. Just easy as that, bro.
Easy as that, dude. And then you just gotta kind of wiggle it in there.
Very jiggy with it.
Wiggle, wiggle. Oh. Oh.
There's half of that one. Don't forget your washers, kids.
Don't forget to wash your kids.
You got kids, Chase?
Fatherly lessons from Chase.
I don't have any kids, that's why I have a Corvette.
Oh.
But it's your wife's.
Oh! Wow, this is a situation and a half right here.
What's up?
Did it work?
A lot better.
We're close.
There's one.
Keep going, Joey. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Nice. I know I told you guys that the next video would be a truck video. I wasn't lying. Chase is right. It is Chase's truck, but the video after this one will also be a truck video. It will be my truck video. We got some splaining to do on that thing, and we have a little thing to install, nothing crazy, but I think you guys will enjoy it. It's a good, solid mod, so stay tuned for the next video.
I said 35 foot-pounds. That feels about it.
That's it.
Yeah.
You hit it with the and then the kink kink. 10-minute video.
We got all kinds of shots of you dancing.
Yeah.
Done.
Wow.
You're done.
One Sean's in a good mood today.
I'm happy. We got some good news on the Mustang, so stay tuned for that video coming next week. But positive vibes, boys. That's what we need. That's what we want. It's looking good. So I can't wait to get back to that thing. Watch the speed demon go. Watch this maneuver.
Alright. Now I'd like to...
Bam, just like that. Bring your truck or car to Chase Automotive, Chase Discount Tires.
Saturdays only.
Yeah,
I
Saturdays
work
only.
on Saturdays.
At the back of Moostang Performance, we have Chase's Tire and Performance.
That's right.
And just like that. Dude, what do you need pod lights for? We could just do like this.
on the page.
Yeah. Look at this. Dude,
Done.
Rock lights.
floodlights. There you go, yeah.
What are we at? What are we at? Oh boy.
Almost 38, dog.
Holy cow, yeah.
Jeez,
That's like
it
an
was
inch
down
and
here.
3/4.
It was down here.
Yeah.
That's an inch and 7/8, bro.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, that's way too bright. Good
Yeah,
Lord.
we got an inch and 7/8 out of that thing.
We are compensating for not taking it for a ride, so the suspension can settle. Sweet, man. Congrats.
Woo!
Now you can run a 33? 33.
Yep.
No install is... I need the light. No install is complete without a sticker mod. They sent a sticker in the box, so, you know, it's surprising. It was a windshield banner of all things. But first, you got to clean the glass. What are you going to use to clean this glass with?
I'm going to use this awesome Motion Auto Invisiglass. This is the best stuff on the
Motion Auto TV.
Best
There
stuff on
you
the
go.
market.
If only you could smell this through the camera. It's
There you go.
amazing.
So now, Chase is going to clear out the windshield so that we can install the windshield banner. All right, there we go. Are you ready? Ready.
Good job, Joey. People are going to know by my fingers now.
Like I said, guys, no install is complete until you put the windshield banner on. Thank you so much, Rough Country, for that windshield banner. It looks amazing. It's so tiny.
It's so messed up.
That's perfect. There you go, Chase.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Sponsorship. Just kidding.
No.
This is not sponsored at all.
Hey, but if they want to sponsor, go for it.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
Email in the description. And we have additional truck content coming because Mr. Joey here dropped some coin, Bitcoin, and bought what for your Tacoma?
2-inch lift? No, 3-inch lift kit.
3-inch lift kit.
3-inch lift
even
kit.
know.
34s.
34s.
What
Are we not?
tire are they?
Okay, we'll tease it a little
How
bit.
wide
We'll
are they?
tease it a little bit. He's not wanting to give it all away.
I don't
So,
know where you want me to go.
well, don't tell. I wanted you to like talk about the wheels and stuff, but we'll wait. You gotta.
The wheels are sweet.
That's just a little bait to get him back to the next video. So, I love his wheels.
And we got some audio.
I'll give you a teaser. If you've been here since my Focus ST, I've wanted to put similar wheels on that he's putting on his truck. That's all I'll say about it. So you have to stay tuned for that. But Chase, congrats on the new truck, sir.
Thank you.
It looks
And
good.
Although it
Welcome to the Lifted Truck Club.
terrible way to get into it. I liked being in the Cammed LS club though.
Yeah, I know. I know.
It's
I
gone
know.
now.
You're in a better place now.
Yeah.
This
Now
This thing won't even.
he can have kids.
No. Nope. Still have a Corvette though.
Pit crew monsters.
Still only have a Corvette. Still got a Corvette.
He does have a Corvette. We haven't shown that to the channel.
Oh yeah.
He has a C7. We
have
should make a video on
yeah,
that.
2015. It's Daytona Sunrise Orange.
That's
It's a
gonna be-
very rare color.
Yeah.
Very awesome though.
Yeah, we got to bring that to the channel and show you guys. So, yeah, we'll do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was just a cool little hangout session in the driveway after work on Friday night, and we all just got to watch Chase work on his truck. But it looks good. I'm happy for you.
It looks good.
And then now he's got better wheel and tire options that he can throw on this thing. So if you haven't already, make sure to follow these boys on Instagram, and all of my social media stuff is in the description below. And if you're not already, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.
I love you.
Too bad.
Too bad. You're in it now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If that doesn't make